Nature in all its splendor, the grey of peaks, the green of fields. Amidst these serene environs, these smiling faces are from Amarwala region of Chindwara district of the central Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. Behind the smiling visage and the confident faces lies a story of struggle, of prayas and endeavor. More than a decade back, in 1988, we Satpura Hills became the witness to the start of an endeavor, which was a dream in young Sadiq Agwan's eyes. The dream was to take root in these terrains as Institute for Development of Youth, Women and Child. Today, the institute is popularly known as Prayas in the region.
Prayas is an organization working in social sector. The organization works for the development of backward tribal people. This work has been going on for the last 12 years in Amarwala, Harrai and Tamia blocks.
ये अमरवाड़ा हर्रई तामिया एरिया में पिछड़े आदिवासी लोगों के विकास के लिए सतत प्रयत्नशील है और काम कर रही है।
ग्रामीण समाज का जो बहुत ही पिछड़ा तबका है, जो वंचित वर्ग है,
organization's aim is complete and continuous development of most backward and most oppressed sections of rural society. The idea is to make the community competent in using the resources in most just and result-oriented ways. This is our vision.
न्याय संगत रूप से और परिणाम कारक रूप से स्वयं कर सके, इस योग्य उन्हें बनाना ये संस्था का विजन है।
इसके लिए प्रयास संस्था पिछले 12 साल
For this, Prayas has been working in different fields.
भिन्न-भिन्न क्षेत्रों में काम कर रही है।
संस्था ने अपने
We are working in 4 areas: group organization, economic program, health and education.
ग्रुप ऑर्गेनाइजेशन माने संगठन बनाना, संगठन को
We organize people, train them,
संगठन का प्रशिक्षण
empower them.
ताकि उनको
Information is power.
और हर
Our aim is to give them as much information as possible.
उनको जानकारी ज्यादा
This empowers the people.
देना, ये संस्था का मूल उद्देश्य है कि उनके पास यदि इन्फॉर्मेशन है तो उनमें ताकत है।
हम तो सिर्फ जो जनशक्ति है उसी में
We
विश्वास करते
believe
हैं,
in
इसी में हम
people's
काम
power.
करते हैं।
We are accountable to the people for whom we are working. We believe in the people. We are dedicated to them.
गांव के लोग हैं, उन्हीं के लिए संस्था समर्पित है।
The confidence on people's power has given a real sense of strength to the inhabitants. Adivasi Shramik Sangathan, the tribal workers organization, is the symbol of this power. Our own voice, our solutions to our problems, our own concerns. This is the mainstay of the organization. The organization provides space for solutions of local problems and creates programs for the future as well.
हमने ये के लिए बनाया जैसे कि अकेले रहते तो हम लड़ जाते रहे।
We have organized because when we were alone, we were afraid. We poor people had no knowledge. Money lenders were fleecing us. Since we have come together, we are full of vigor. We can speak about our rights together. If we are alone, we are afraid.
अब अकेले रहेंगे तो डर जाएंगे। हम लोग संगठन में जोड़ेंगे तो
If we organize, we are united. Organization has lot of power. If there are lots of people, the problem is easily tackled. One person cannot do much. That is why we organize.
इसलिए संगठन बना है।
The date of meeting is fixed in the organization, that it would take place on this day. That day, we all gather.
हम ग्रामीण भाई और बहनें जुड़कर इकट्ठे होते हैं।
All the village folk gather, and together we talk about our problems. then we take these problems to the office of Prayas,
समिति के बीच में
where solutions are
तैयार
suggested.
करके उस मुद्दा लेकर जो समस्या है उस मुद्दा को हम संगठन प्रयास ऑफिस आते हैं और हम संगठन की मांग प्रयास ऑफिस से करते हैं और हमारी मांग इस ऑफिस में आने से तुरंत तत्काल निराकरण हो जाता है.
Organizing is a constant and continuous process. Constant training and interaction develops a deeper understanding in the people, which helps in solving the thorny problems. Going through the whole process, the people get in touch with their inherent strength. This experience also gives the ability to solve their own problems. The process also helps them in formulation of development activities for their respective areas.
सबसे पहले तो हम गांव में जाते हैं, गांव का संगठन बनाते हैं. संगठन बनाने के बाद जो गांव की छोटी छोटी समस्याएं होती है, जैसे मान लीजिए पानी की समस्या है, बिजली की समस्या है.
We go to the villages and organize people. The small problems which touch their lives like water, electricity, related to revenue are taken up and are tried to be solved. As they see these solutions, they come near us, join the organization. Later, we thought that organization should have an economic base, so we created a village fund. People shouldn't become over-dependent on the organization, so we created seed bank. For food security, we created a grain bank. This way, they have control over their own resources.
भूखे रहे तो उनके लिए हमने एक फूड सिक्योरिटी के लिए ग्रेन बैंक कराया, ताकि उनके जो रिसोर्सेज हैं वो उन्हीं के पास, वो संस्था के ऊपर डिपेंड हो.
Whatever the problem, whether of loan or anything else, the organization is basically the space where collective interface gives the solution to come to a collective decision.
कर्ज लेने भैया जी हमको 1000 रुपया जरूरत है.
आपकी पुरानी कर्ज कितनी है भाई?
हमारा कर्ज भैया 400 रुपया रह गई.
पुराना कर्ज को पटा उसके बाद में मान लो
हमको ये खेत ठेका वाले को भी देना है, बैल वाले को भी देना है. देखो अपने पास उतनी राशि नहीं है.
हाँ, अब जैसे गाने जितने जो मांग रहे हैं तो उतने तो हम एक आदमी जितना मांग रहे हैं उतना दे नहीं सकेंगे.
भाई एक कि नहीं तो ये तो कर जाएगा, तो ये एक पास में है पैसा और आंगले भी इसको कर्ज देंगे कि नहीं देंगे?
अब 1000 नहीं दे सक रहा है तो कम से कम 2000 रुपये तो उनको दो।
नहीं, हमने पैसे वापस नहीं करना बाबा। आधे दे दो, आधा समस्या है तो आधे तो दो।
भाई जो अगले मीटिंग में हमने बोल दिए थे पैसा वापसी करने के लिए, तो ले आए ना? पैसा निकाल। ठीक है, तो अब खेत ठेका के लिए अपन इनको दे देते हैं भैया। भाई तो दे
बहुत समस्या है ना, दे देना।
ठीक है, प्रस्ताव बना ले।
हमने 1000 रुपये लाए।
We took loan of 1000 rupees and got some land on contract. We had crops of pulses, soya, maize. After selling our produce, we purchased land from this money. Since the organization has come in existence, we have created seed bank and village fund. We have meetings of men and women. All the ladies deposit ₹5 every month. This becomes a large sum taken together. If any of us is facing any problem like illness, the money is given to her.
We collect money for village fund. At first it was nominal. Later it increased.
अपन ने 2-2 रुपया ग्राम को से जमा कर दें सर।
Apart from village fund, we collect grain and seeds also. The seeds are given to the farmer. If some person is in need, like on marriage, we help him from our village fund. That means a collection to help everyone in need.
अपन ग्राम कोष में अपन समझो कोठी रखते हैं।
Apart from village fund, we also open development account in the bank. According to need, the money is given to the chosen person.
लेंगे हमारे खेती काश्तकारी या कोई छेरी बकरी की जो समिति जो निर्णय करेगी वो देंगे उन लोगों को चुन के।
The benefit is this, that our grain bank is increasing and people are benefiting.
परेशानी का करो समाधान हो गए ना संगठन बनाओ रे। परेशानी का करो समाधान हो गए ना संगठन बनाओ रे। परेशानी का करो समाधान हो गए ना संगठन बनाओ रे। परेशानी का करो समाधान हो गए ना संगठन बनाओ रे। साहूकारों से लड़ते रहे कब तक, लड़ते कब तक। साहूकारों से लड़ते रहे कब तक, कब तक। खेती बाड़ी को आगे रखे कब तक।
These confident tone of voices in women basically show the control which these women have gained over their lives. The collective decision-making process has surmounted all difficulties which once looked insurmountable. Women here have become a part of the decision-making process which until now was an unknown territory to them. There is a ring of confidence in their voices as they chart their way through unknown waters of financial decision-making. They now know that solutions can be reached if they are organized.
The stress is on women coming out of homes. They should become a part of decision-making process. For this, a special emphasis is on capacity building for both men and women. Men should support the women fully. Now we have become bold. Earlier we were afraid of our in-laws. We could not talk in front of them. The men used to create havoc in their drunken state. Now we have organized. We are together. Even men behave properly now. They have been properly scolded. Earlier they used to beat us while drunk. We had a meeting and told them, now drinking is less, violence rare.
Have you stopped drinking? It is under control now.
Traveling in this terrain is not easy, but life here in all its splendor sways in the fields and takes shapes on the roofs and windows of homes. Prayas also runs economic programs which give interest-free loans to the needy for houses, micro-enterprises and agriculture. Today in the whole region, the experiments in business and animal husbandry have become common. As one travels in the region, one can see the growth in forest cover and the greenery. Behind all this is the serious effort in watershed development. The traditional knowledge of water conservation has been revived here. So has the concept of collective work or Shramdan. Here, people collectively are greening the earth.
ये मेड़बंधन का काम हो रहा है जिससे मेड़बंधन का काम शुरू होने से दो फायदे हैं इससे
This is control bundling. There are two benefits from this. The people get the minimum wages of rupees 45-70 paise. And second, this work is being done in their own farmland. Now the soil will not be eroded. The soil will retain the water and they will have better crops.
The whole state is facing the acute problem of lowering of water level and the scarcity of underground water sources. But here, the region has no such problems. The traditional style of watershed development has seen a revival because of Prayas's efforts in the whole region. Stop dams and check dams are visible in the whole area. The rising water level has given the farmers a new hope. Reforestation is a reality here. The forest cover has increased. The water level in the wells has risen and 2 crops are possible, where even 1 crop was a problem earlier. The farmers here have got interest-free loans for irrigation pumps.
Earlier there was nothing. Since the organization has given us loans to motor pumps, the crop is better. Now we have crops of wheat and pulses. Earlier we used to migrate to Narsinghpur. Now there is no need of that.
यहाँ के काफी लोग साहूकारों से दबे हुए थे क्योंकि हाँ
People were fleeced by money lenders. If they took a bag of wheat, they had to pay twice in interest. We thought that there should be such an economic program which lessened the dependence on money lenders. We started credit programs. Loan for seeds, fertilizers, motor pumps, thresher, etc. were given. Small credits for essential commodities were also made available.
aspect of economic development is the new life given to the old concept of collective work or Shramdan. This has also put a stop to the problem of migration. As the migration stopped, it gave a protective cover to the women from the travails of physical and economic exploitation. Self-employment is the new facet in the lives here. People here have taken to animal husbandry in a big way. One can feel here the happiness of lives. It is on the faces, it is in the fields.
I got a loan from Prayas for one ox. I had one, took loan for the other.
I took loan for the goat.
From which organization?
From Prayas.
How did you get it? How much? Please tell us.
Got 600 rupees. I bought a goat. When I got the kid, I sold it. From the money, I bought jewelry. My name is Sharan Bai. I work for Prayas. In my village, 6 women took loans for goats, 2 women for buffaloes. 600 rupees for goats and rupees 3,500 for buffaloes.
My name is Rajesh Kumar of Khumri village. I am a member of Adivasi Shramik Sangathan. I was trained for 15 days and given all the tools. I started my own work from my home.
जितने भी सामान इसमें औजार लगते हैं वो औजार दिए गए थे जिससे मैंने फिर अपना धंधा शुरू किया यहाँ घर पे आके
कितनी आपकी कमाई होती धंधे?
How much do you earn? 2,000 to 2,500 per month.
2,500
People are enthused. They are trained and they can progress. I have work. I can earn from my own home. What more can I ask?
और घर बैठे भी काम मिल गया सर इससे बड़ी और कौन सी चीज है?
This region has rich forest cover. Minor forest produce gives sustenance to the people here. People here are now selling minor forest produce like mahua and kutli collectively, and their incomes have improved.
मान लीजिए कि बैल कर देना है तो गांव में उस गांव में 10,000 रुपया देना है.
If we have to give loan for an ox and we have 10,000 rupees, but the demand is of 20,000, then we'll think who is more needy. Village organization will choose the beneficiary. It is quite possible that beneficiary himself will give half the amount. This is possible because the village folks know the real conditions of the people. They choose the right person.
गांव का आदमी हर आदमी जानता है कि सामने वाले घर में क्या पका है तो बेस्ट चयन करते हैं. इसमें संस्था का कोई सिलेक्शन नहीं.
The remote region with all other problems has additional problem of lack of schools. For shepherds' children, non-formal schools are being run by the organization. This introduction of education in children's lives, especially girls, has given a new hope for the future.
गुड़िया ने फ्रॉक पहनी है ना इसकी कलर किस प्रकार की पीला है ना.
प्रयास संस्था द्वारा जो
The education program being run by Prayas is quite popular in the field. People ask questions. They ask about the girls' education. They send their children to these schools. Girls are enrolled in large numbers.
बालिकाएं बड़ी तादाद में एनरोलमेंट हो रही हैं.
Apart from education and self-employment, the aspect of health of people is also taken into consideration. Serious efforts are on for curbing mother and infant mortality rates. Midwives are being trained for this. Health camps are organized, reference services have started, and immunization has gone up.
Earlier, the mother mortality and infant mortality rates were high. To control this, Prayas is running the health program.
Health is a serious issue. As all care is being taken, traditional medicine is not being neglected. The old wisdom is reawakened. The idea behind Prayas is organizing people and giving them voice so that they can raise it against exploitation and oppression. For general awareness, Prayas has brought many publications. The whole team of Prayas is committed to realize the aims of the organization.
Here the coordination amongst the members is great, whatever the program. All the members unanimously execute the program in a planned manner.
We at Prayas believe that our accountability is to the people for whom we work. We are responsible to them.
Our aim is to execute the work in the best way. We are all together for implementing this. Our motto is the best possible job.
For advocacy, Prayas has a sister organization, Aadharshila, in Bhopal, which works to influence policies which affect human rights. Apart from this, a new project for budget analysis and fellowships to the grassroots workers and regional journalists in the field of human rights is on the anvil.
We have established a state-level advocacy center at Bhopal. The center's main job is to look at the public policies and if there is violation of rights. For this and influencing government and policy makers, the center is there.
इसलिए गवर्नमेंट और पॉलिसी मेकर्स को इन्फ्लुएंस करने के लिए संस्था स्थापित की गई है.
Aadharshila works as a support organization. The information for grassroots NGOs is made available here. We also raise the public issues in the media and even in assembly.
What has the future in store for these endeavors?
Prayas wants to establish a budget center which can study the state's budget. We also want to establish a rural bank.
दूसरा है कि एक ग्रामीण बैंक की स्थापना करने की भी संस्था की सोच है.
Prayas is thinking of changing its role. We shall change. The grassroots activities will be done by the Shramik Sangathan and Prayas will look after the policy level and support them.
This is a dream for better future, for a world where one will have control of one's own life, where the future will hold promises of smiles. Everyone should have the possibility of brightness in life. This is the endeavor. This is the Prayas.
प्रेमी नमो